Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today we're going to start off in the front yard. I just want to give you a quick overview before we get to our project today. Yard's coming in pretty good. It is March the 5th. You see a lot of green and a lot of little green spots thanks to that young lady right there on the front porch. But yeah, it's coming in pretty good. Just want to show you guys the front yard, and also let's go to the backyard and I'll show you it real fast. Okay, here we are in the backyard, and it's also coming in really good. Not as many green spots. I guess the dog likes the front yard better than the backyard, which is fine with me. But overall, the yard's looking really good. Still got a little brown in it, and it's still a few weeks short. I think we're in a fall spring since it is almost 70 today. Later in the weeks, we're going to drop down highs in the 50s, so we're going to get hit with another Arctic blast. So it'll probably slow down the Bermuda a little bit, but we'll just keep our fingers crossed and we'll wait for it to green up. But today's project, we're going to be in the flower beds, and as you can see, I finished. Let me back up here. I did some pine straw. I redid the pine straw in the backyard, and then I came along and I extended the rock beds all the way down to the side of the yard. I circled around the pool pump, and then here I put some pea gravel, and this is where we're going to be spending today. And of course, if you remember my last videos, I stopped here last summer and basically took that and wrapped it around. But today we're going to deal with this pea gravel. And why did I put pea gravel here around the two AC units and the electrical? Primarily because if I have work done on these units, people will be around it. Or here, sometimes I have a circuit blown in the garage. I have to come over, flip it. Or if I'm replacing a plug or something where I want to put a smart plug, I'll come out here and have to fumble around and flip a breaker. And I don't want to be stepping all over these and twisting an ankle, because having to work on stepping on all of these big rocks are pretty rough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pea gravel here. I've already got it stamped out. I stamped it a couple of times with my little stamper there that I typically use on a paver pathway. So I stamped it to make sure it's good and flat. And what I'm going to do is put down some mulch glue. And what this does, it's going to try and hold all the little pea gravel together to keep it from being kicked out in the yard, out in the turf. So when I'm mowing, or especially if I'm real mowing, because I take my real mower, take it about down to here sometimes, and I hope to extend it all the way around the yard. That way I connect the front and the back here. But I definitely don't want to hit some of these little pebbles. So what we're going to do today, we're fixing to head to the garage, and we're going to mix up this Supermax mulch glue. And you can use it on multiple things, more than just mulch. It's just called mulch glue. You can use it on, let's see, pine straw, your standard chip mulch, and large bark mulch, which is basically pine bark, and also on the pea gravel. So this is 32 ounces. So we're gonna mix it up. Well, I'll show you. Well, let's talk about it in the garage. Let's head to the garage. Okay guys, here we are in the garage. My favorite place to start out any project. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little sprayer here. It's just your simple, 1 gallon. I've had it a little while. Use it. I think I got it from Home Depot. It's a little cheap $5 or $10 sprayer. You can catch it on sale. And also the Supermax, that's all there is to it. We're gonna put the 32 ounces in this and then fill it up to half a gallon. Because the mix ratio for this product is 2 parts water and 1 part of this product. And since we have 32 ounces, which is 1/4 of a gallon, we will double the water to half a gallon. In fact, if we can see this, you can see the great little table they have here. Half a gallon, parts water and parts mulch glue mixture, 32 ounces. So it really makes it easy. So we'll shake this up really good. We'll pour it in, and then we will go spray. Okay, I went ahead and put half a gallon of water in here. As you can see, there is a small mark here. I need to mark that with my Sharpie so I can see it. And the table's tilted a little bit, so if I tilt this back, you can see there's right at half a gallon in there. So now let's add our mulch glue. Okay guys, what you can see now is you can see that it goes down white, but it dries. See, I did this part earlier because I made my way around that way and then came back in the front, put another coat. It's already dried clear. You can see the white here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit a little while, and then I'll probably put the remainder on there and really give it a good coat, because what it looks like, it gets between the pebbles and really bonds them together. It's kind of like, it actually smells like Elmer's glue, stuff you used as a kid in the little arts and crafts class. Then we'll come back in probably a couple of days and I'll kind of step on it and run my hand across it, see if there's any loose pebbles, and see how good it held. So we'll see you. Here we are about 2 weeks, well not 2 weeks, 1 week since I put the mulch glue down by Petra Tools, and it worked really good. We had 2 inches of rain this week, and as you can see, it came off the roof and hit down here and didn't budge it, and it's pretty hard. I don't see any loose rocks. This stuff's pretty awesome. I really am impressed by it. In fact, I just started edging my beds. You can see I came down here, put a little edge on my beds, and I plan to do the same down the rocks. Probably put like a little 1-inch edge around it. But I got my blower here, had a few leaves on it, blew it around. As you can see, nothing moved. Very impressive. Very impressed with this stuff. Even here, you can see it slants down from my air units. Nice and hard. Pine straw stuff will blow off easy, especially in the fall. Hopefully this lasts a good while. This fall I'll come through and blow off all the leaves from all the trees surrounding my property. Yeah, really excited about this. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have some little pea pebbles like this, or really just small rocks, go and get you some of that mulch glue. It works awesome. And if you like this video, be sure and hit that like button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And follow me on Instagram. I post little reels about how I did this, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. So well, guys, we'll see you in the yard hopefully soon. It is starting to warm up. We will walk around here in the front, and I will bid you guys a farewell. Yard's starting to green up a little bit, not much. I mean, highs in the 50s and we're hitting 30s this week, so you know, a little winter's trying to bounce back on us. Gave us a false spring there for a minute, but we'll see you guys in the next. Hope you guys have a great day.